Let's see now the functions available to users of the ETC, the new Zucchetti Axess electronic time and attendance terminal. In the default window, the terminal shows the firmware version at the top right, in this case 1.8, and between brackets the number of users enabled with this license, in this case 25. The wide space is reserved for the display of the time and the date on which the clocking occurs. Right beneath the customizable logo, with the Axess TMC logo being the default, and in the center the user has the option of viewing his or her monthly time card, showing all the clockings performed during the month in a wide and clear window. In this area it is possible to enable the clocking with reasons function, and finally at the bottom are the two entry and exit icons. In order to perform a clock-in, the employee simply has to hold his personal badge next to the entry icon and the same for the exit icon. We have just performed a clock-in. And now let's have a look at the monthly time card by clicking the icon with a magnifying glass and reading the badge for confirmation. If the function is enabled, a PIN is also requested, the numeric code to further protect the user's personal data. The monthly clockings are now displayed. Those with an asterisk next to them are the ones edited by the administrator, while those that have a letter next to them are those justified with a reason, in this case S for sickness, meaning that this clocking was justified with a sickness reason. After a short timeout, which is configurable by the administrator, the window with the monthly time card is closed and the terminal returns to its default display. Let's now perform a justify clocking in. In order to enable the function, click the book icon. In this window there are displayed and suggested to the user all the reasons that have been set up by the administrator. Let's select, for example, late entry, which will be displayed in the center. We have now performed an entry with a reason. Let's now check the monthly time card to verify that the registration has been saved with the selected reason. As you can see, next to the last clocking the letter E is shown, an identification code for the selected reason. An interesting function available to the administrator is the one which allows them to review and edit users' clockings. Let's access the supervisor menu by reading the MasterCard, selecting the monthly time card option, then selecting the user for whom we want to view or edit the clockings. From the monthly time card, select the day on which we want to intervene, for example the 15th. There are now displayed all the clockings for that day, and the administrator has the possibility to edit the schedule of a particular clocking, the edited clocking will appear with an asterisk next to it, while clockings with a reason will appear with the reason code beside them.